Babe, wait now. Babe, wait. Wait now.
Wait for what now? Wait for what?
I told you the money you gave me is not enough for this.
Yes, but
now.
that's what I can afford
It's
now.
not enough.
Babe, you know I love you. I'm going for us. Once I make money, I will return that. I will give it to you. Don't manage that money, you understand? You know I love you. Please. Hmm? I love you. Let me go come here. Okay, bye bye, baby.
Bye.
Bye bye. Hello, miss. Sorry, excuse me. Please, I'm looking
evening.
for. How are you? How are you doing?
Fine.
Please, I'm looking for number 20 for Carlos Street.
Number 20.
Yeah.
Sorry, you just pass it.
Oh
You follow
wow.
your back, then branch.
Like this way.
Yeah, then turn to the left.
Wow, thank you so much.
You're
You are
welcome.
a lifesaver
Thank you
because
very
I have
much.
been there for quite some minutes looking for the street.
Yeah, thank you very much.
All right, thank you so much. Sorry, just a minute, please. What is your name, please?
My name is Ella.
Ella. My name is Tunde.
Okay. Yeah.
Please, Ella, I would like to see you some other time.
I have a boyfriend.
I know, but it's just like a casual seeing. Then we'll talk more.
Are you sure?
Sure, trust me.
Okay.
All right, take care.
Bye.
All right, bye.
Awilo, yeah. Oh yeah, Awilo. Dorete Awilo, better ato. Dorete Awilo, better ato.
Wait, you know before they say to my buy food for my baby. Like, what you, madam? I got rice. I buy rice for my baby child. Yes, yes. My rice. The rice sweet, Abby. That rice 200 naira. Hey, plenty you. Nelo. We go happy today. Say I don't buy rice for her. You got pure water? How much? 50 naira for one. You go like water? Now give me change. Change. I won't go. I rush. I won't go see my girlfriend. I'll go give her food. Everything at 400. This for your money don't fear. My baby!
You're back. I've been waiting for you.
You have been waiting for me. I'm here for you. See what I buy for you.
Thank you.
I buy food for you.
Rice.
See rice. So
Hope it's sweet.
Yeah,
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Carry everything.
Let's go and eat.
Go and sit down and me. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you come now, so we eat
Make
together.
this one dey here first. Make John. Make dey here. Okay, let me hold this one. Yeah, eat. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Let me pray over it. In Jesus' name, I'll transfer this right. Amen.
Amen.
Yeah, let me eat first. Let me eat first
Before you.
Yeah, eat.
It's sweet.
Yeah, enjoy. There's water here. You go drink. You have. How was your day?
Fine.
It's not easy for me, but I try. I get 500. I buy rice for you. I think get 100 naira change. Yeah. You see the money. You understand? How? Thank you. It's the fish. David, where are you? I'm outside the gate waiting for you. You know my flight is at 1 p.m. So try and come as much as possible. Okay? I'm waiting for you. No, 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 don't say that. You know, you have to find a way to come. Find a way to come. I really need to go, okay? Wait, wait, let me call you back. Let me call you back. Hello, sorry, excuse me. What was that your name again?
Ella, good afternoon, sir.
Wow, Ella. How you doing?
I'm fine.
Wow, I really appreciate your help the other day.
Thank you.
Yeah, you know what? How can I be able to appreciate you? How can I be able to thank you?
You have thanked me enough. I just showed you a way.
Ella, you know, the truth of the matter is that, you know, that day, can you come close, please?
Okay.
You know, the truth of the matter is that that day I was a bit down, but me meeting you that day, you turned me on. Then I begin to be like, wow, definitely there is a chemistry you and I we have together. And trust me, I will treat you well. I'll be very
But I told
nice.
you I have a boyfriend already.
I know, I know.
I have a
Like
boyfriend
what
already.
happened that day, like I feel turned on. Seriously, if you give me a chance, you will not regret it.
No, but I have a boyfriend.
Okay, Ella, I would really like to appreciate you. You know, just have this for now. I want you to have this money. I'm traveling to Abuja this afternoon. So, Ella, this does not have anything of me liking you. Just have it. It's a gift
Ella,
from my heart. Okay?
Ella, I've been
Have
calling
it.
you. What? You know what I'm thinking? What happened? I've been calling you since. I've been calling you. You're collecting money from ma. Is that what you are thinking?
Ella,
What?
you know I love you.
Oh my god.
Since 5 years I've been teaching you, Ella.
Oh my gosh!
I know I don't have a lot of enough money to take care of you, to make your beauty coming out. I'll be wasting your time since. Sir, do you love Ella? So from the depths of my heart, I love her so much. Ella, since I didn't have money to take care of you for this love since I know how to pay catching. Sir, please, I want you to take care of her. Don't let her, don't let her beat you. Don't let her cry for love. Ella, this what I can sacrifice for you. Take care of her. I promise you this, Amma. Ella, I promise you I will take care of you as you trust me. I will, and by God, I will.